Hello and welcome to our video on how to remove blackheads in just a few days. Blackheads can be frustrating to deal with, but with a few simple steps, you can effectively remove them and achieve clearer, smoother skin. The first step in removing blackheads is to steam your face. This helps to open up your pores, making it easier to remove blackheads. To steam your face, boil some water and pour it into a bowl. Then, place a towel over your head and lean over the bowl, allowing the steam to reach your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, you'll want to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells and unclog your pores. Use an exfoliating scrub to gently massage your skin for a few minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Now it's time to use a blackhead removal tool. This is a small, metal instrument that can be used to gently extract blackheads from your skin. To use it, place the loop end of the tool over the blackhead and apply gentle pressure. The blackhead should pop out easily. After removing blackheads, it's important to apply a clay mask to your face. This helps to remove impurities from your skin and tighten your pores. Apply the mask and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Finally, don't forget to moisturize your skin. Use a lightweight moisturizer that won't clog your pores and help to prevent dryness. By following these simple steps, you should be able to remove blackheads in just a few days and achieve clearer, smoother skin. Remember to be gentle with your skin and avoid using harsh products that can irritate or damage it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare